I'm going to show how to plug a tire using Slime's Deluxe Tire Plug Kit. Begin by airing the tire up to its proper specifications. You will be able to find that imprinted on the side of the tire. Next, find the object that's creating the hole in the tire. Once found, mark the general area on the side of the tire to identify the location. This mark will help position the tire in such a way to easily access the punctured site. Next, remove the tire plug kit from its package and note each item. This kit contains one reamer tool, one plugger tool, one tube of rubber cement, 3 regular size plugs, and 5 long plugs. Begin by removing the object from the tire. I'm using a pair of needle nose pliers for this task. Next, quickly take the reamer tool and insert it into the puncture site. Work it in and out to roughen up and clean the inside of the hole. Once the hole has been reamed to the size of the tool, leave the reamer tool in the puncture site in order to preserve the air in the tire. Now, remove the protective film from the plugs. Then, select a plug from the packaging. Next, take the plugging tool and work the plug into the eye until it's halfway through. Next, take the tube of rubber cement and puncture an opening in the nozzle using the top of its cap. Next, coat with rubber cement. Use a liberal amount and coat the plug very well in this manner. Return to the reamer tool at the puncture site. Quickly remove the reamer tool and insert the plugging tool into the puncture site. Then, push in the plug until it's approximately 2/3 of the way in. Next, pull the plugger tool straight out with a rapid motion. Do not twist it while pulling it out. Cut off the excess plug material in this manner. Reinflate the tire to specifications if necessary. Next, check the site for leaks. With soapy water, spray the area. If bubbles appear, then you will need to repeat the process. In this case, no large bubbles were observed. The tire is now ready for the road.